PJ Grutzwacher here with Summit Automation, covering our third quarter update. And this quarter we're dedicating to our doors and window manufacturers. And with that said, one of our key themes here at the company is to try to drive down overall cost of ownership for an automation system to be coupled with the doors. There's no doubt that automating doors is here to stay, and it's similar to automated windows. That's how it is, and we're providing those exceptional services and products to our partners that are out there. We do so by driving down the overall cost of ownership, and we do that by developing solutions that are prepped at the factory to try to drive down the installation time, accessory package that makes sense for that specific door and or that application, certifying installers that are both door installers as well as now automation installation teams, greater functionality with similar or lower costs. We do that by leveraging technology and leveraging our overall spend and driving the overall costs down by passing on those savings to our customers. Even in the COVID era right now, where it seems that every other supplier is out there raising their prices, we've been very diligent about not raising our prices and continuing down that path. In fact, some of the areas we've actually been able to reduce our costs through technology and implementation of that technology. So we do partner with the OEMs on several new projects. We're doing windows now. We've got large as well as small doors that we're working on. Pivot doors, of course, one of our main streams. Even with high wind situations, we're able to manage that. And then we have some really kind of great announcements that are going to be coming out over the next couple, 3 months. And so stay tuned for those on our social media posts. And then, of course, we're getting ready for the International Builder Show. We've got something like 18 different OEMs that we're working with to automate their doors at the show. And we're going to be bringing quite a few people with us. And it'll be easy to spot us because we've got the Summit shirts on. You'll get to see it when we're at the show, but think of a pit crew. That's how we view ourselves. We're kind of a pit crew for the IBS, making sure that all the various doors are ready, rocking and rolling, and then also they're ready to support the OEMs with any questions that their customers may have or ideas or concepts or what have you. So we're looking forward to it. There are no two doors that are the same, and as such, we do offer customized components that mate up to your doors. And we do so perfectly. And how do we do that? Because we have a full suite of machine shop within our facility. We've got design engineers, manufacturing engineers, quality engineers, electrical engineers, all on our staff ready to serve you as our customers. Lastly, because we have certified our system over 2.5 years ago with the UL 325, it is a difficult test to do. It takes a lot of time, resources to accomplish that, as there are 14 different separate tests that the system has to go through, from endurance through safety, through crush, through EMI, the whole bunch of, total of 14 different tests. And I'm very glad that we have passed those. Why is that important? Because by having the UL 325 certification, you basically help mitigate any kind of risk that you may have with an operated door, automated door. So that's the update for the third quarter. We have had a record quarter. It just seems like everything's just kind of clicking along, and we're doing great. And we wouldn't be able to do so without our customers and without our partnerships that we have with the OEM. So we want to say thank you, and we look forward to expanding those relationships with all of the door manufacturers. Thank you much. Have a great week.